Again, today, 17th of June 2024, I have another thought experiment for you guys. It has to do with Russell's paradox. I have received this question online on YouTube. Um, and the question was, what can I make of Russell's paradox in connection with artificial intelligence? And I can see no problem with I can see no problem arising from the application of from a supposed application of Russell's paradox to the question of artificial intelligence. But I do have a thought experiment and I have a conclusion for you this time. So we have a huge processing tower here with some internal storage. It has sensor capability, so it kind of monitors the environment. We have two actors here, Alice and Bob. So the argument is that this is a very brief conclusion, I guess. In order for the processing tower to make any sense of Alice and Bob whatsoever, the processing tower will have to contain copies of Alice and Bob. So it's so we don't have two persons named Alice, of course, and two people named Bob. We have some form of textual representation of Alice and Bob, whatever that means, whatever the encoding in question is. Could be an implicit representation, could be some sort of schematics. But in any case, what is perceived as Alice and Bob from the exterior must have some form of representation inside the machine. Okay, so that much is correct. Okay. But then the question is, does the machine contain itself? Okay, so does the machine contain a copy of itself? And we can see this cannot be the case, because if the machine contains a copy of itself, it would have to contain a copy of itself, right? And this is for technical reasons. This is for monitoring itself together with the environment. Okay, so the machine in question must keep must keep a very close eye on itself too, and its internal mechanisms. So then the conclusion, okay, so from this observation, the conclusion is, guys, artificial intelligence isn't sentient. Okay, artificial intelligence doesn't have human-like capabilities. Okay, it's just artificial intelligence as we know it is a bundle of algorithms, very neat, very efficient bundle of algorithms and data structures. Okay,